Good morning, world. Infidelity is one of those where the answers are not always clear. The answers are not always clear. And today we're talking about 5 common reasons people cheat. And this is not to say that this is why you did it or why your partner did it. And the your reason or your partner's reasons may not even fit in these 5 common reasons. These are just 5 common reasons that I have come across where I frequently see in couples that I see. So yeah, let's get started. First is they believe they can get away with it because at some point something told this person that, hey, I am slick enough, I am that good at hiding my track, I can do this without getting caught. So, or I'm going to be careful enough, or I'm going to be whatever enough that my partner or no one in my life is going to find out, and I'm going to get away with it. So they believe they can they can do it and get away with it and not have to face consequences. So they do it. 2, they don't value the relationship over their want at that time. Notice that I say at that time. This is not to say that tomorrow they will not be completely into their relationship and value their relationship over everything, but at the time they are valuing that want over the relationship. At the time, the want that they want to get met is more important to the person than the relationship, which is why a lot of times people ask the question, well, why would the person do this knowing all they have to lose, knowing that, because when you, at the end of the day, you see that they've lost so much, but at the moment when the person is making the decision to step outside of their relationship, they are valuing the want that they are about to fulfill over the relationship and whatever else they may have to lose. 3, they believe they are entitled to it, or they're entitled to more. The person may have everything, or what you believe is everything at home or everything in that relationship, but they believe that there is something else out there that they have a right to, that they're entitled to. And because they believe they're entitled to it, they feel that, hey, I'm entitled to this, so I can just go out and get it. And, everything should be cool because I'm entitled to it. 4, poor self-esteem. This one is also very common because a lot of times you find that people go and engage in these types of situations because they have something to prove. It's usually to themselves that they're proving it, because nobody else ever really cares whatever it is that the person is trying to prove, but they are trying to prove something, or they're trying to make up for something, just something about themselves that does not feel that they are, man enough, woman enough, or that some kind of validation that they are seeking, from some additional validation that they're seeking by proving that, hey, I can do this, I can go out and do this, or, 5, retaliation. Hurt people hurt people. It may not necessarily be retaliation because their partner cheated. It could be that the partner has hurt them in some other way. So now it's like, well, you've hurt me, so I don't care if I hurt you, or you hurt me, so now I want to hurt you back. It could be for various reasons that they have this thing of, it's okay, I know this might hurt you, but for some reason, for where I am right now, it's okay that you are hurting, or I'm not concerned that this is going to hurt you. So that retaliation, it's a big one because, like I said, hurt people hurt people. Quick recap. 1, they believe that they can get away with it. They think they're slick enough to do it and get away with it. 2, they don't value the relationship that they have over that want that they want to fill at this moment. It may change, but at the moment, that's where they are. 3, they believe that they are entitled to more, or that they are entitled to being able to go out and get this additional thing that they're, pursuing. 4, poor self-esteem, which leads them to go out and do all sorts of stuff to prove stuff to nobody nobody's really paying attention, but they are, so they have something to prove. Finally, retaliation, because hurt people hurt people. And as I always say, if you are dealing with more than you can handle, please do reach out and get some help, because there's a lot of help out there for anyone who needs it, anyone who wants it, anyone who's asking for it. And that's pretty much all we have for today. Good morning, world. Have an awesome day.